Hi, my original people, my correct people. Hey, yes, so my correct people. Oh yeah, join me, everybody. Gather here. Let us unbox this. I got it from one online vendor from Instagram. My correct people. I would like you to watch this video from beginning to the end. You know now, I'll be telling you guys everything. This is 2-piece that I got. Look at it very well. Oh my goodness, this is top notch. Honestly, as you can see the material, I thought that what she will give me is what I ordered versus what I got. You got to go. So I never knew that these ladies, as in Chokonadu. So I got this. This is another one I got from her also. Yes. Oh my god. You see this bag is giving. You know, my husband for my so my correct people. This is another one I got from her. This is another one. Oh my god, this gown is giving. I was like, this gown, is it what I ordered? And she said, I called her. She said, Madam, don't worry, it will enter you. Is it not this size that you ordered? I said, yes, Madam, is this size. That is how it looks when it is out from the mannequin. I said, oh, okay. Oh, I hope everything is in order. She said, Madam, there is no problem. Just wear your clothes, enjoy. My correct people, what this lady gave me was top notch. Look at this one now. Look at this one. One thing about her wears are they are quality. Yes, in case you need her handle, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will give it to you. So this one is also fine. I love this one. Well, what I ordered is what she gave me. She's not like other vendors that you will order A, they will give you B. My correct people, honestly, I love what this lady sold to me. Honestly, I never believed. I thought that what I will see is what I ordered versus what I got. So this lady gave me top notch, nice wares. So in case you need her, contact or you need her page name, let me know in the comment section. I will send it to you ASAP. You go and experiment. You go and experiment. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, very nice. You don't need a seer to tell you. You don't need a seer at all to tell you. Guys, I really love what I got from this lady. I really love what I got from this lady. I'll be testing them one after the other. Don't worry. Cool down. I'll be showing it to you one after the other. You will see everything. Yes. And you will check it for me how it looks on me. I am so much happy with what she gave me. Love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. My correct people. Share this video and drop your opinion in the comment box. Bye.